Now we have our wet ingredients to put together. We're going to start with 1/4 of a cup of that sour cream. I know, sounds a little weird, but just going to scoop it out. You know what, don't be scared, use your hand. There we go. Right at 1/4 of a cup, level it off, make sure. Have a spoon handy. Just need to scrape that out of the measuring cup. You know, sometimes, you know, when I see it all sticking to the edge of the measuring cup like that, I get just a little more out of the container, so make sure I get exactly 1/4 of a cup in there. Okay, so that's in, and we're going to add our 2 eggs. Let's get those out of the way. There we go. Remember, room temperature eggs. These have been out long enough. Not quite room temperature, but they're not ice cold from the fridge anymore, so that's just fun. They'll mix just fine with the cold sour cream. That'll work just fine. Put that away. You like to break your eggs not on the side of the bowl, because just in case a piece of shell jumps in, it's better to bang it on the counter. I'm going to rinse that egg off my hands real quick. And our vanilla. Let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. It smells so good. Okay, let's add a teaspoon of vanilla. 1 giant heart shape. We're just going to whisk this together. There we go. Until it comes together in one nice, I'll show you what it looks like. It'll look kind of lumpy at first from the sour cream. Just keep whisking it. See how it's coming together? It's perfect. There we go. Yeah, nice and smooth. All right, let's start putting all this stuff together.